The Galactic Federation of Light via Sheldan Nidle, July 18, 2017. 6 Ik, 17 Kumku, 13 Kaban. Dratzo. The delivery system continues to move forward. It is believed that first indications suggest that everything required is now in place. It shows us just how well this forward motion is likely to play out, and is only the beginning for what is soon to follow. The key point is that those who are in the know realize that some form of positive action is currently required. In this light, we can now safely say that the elders realize what is needed to finish the various delivery tasks. We expect results to manifest clearly for all concerned. We reiterate that this can only mean that the first monies are now primed to resume their flow. It is incumbent on all in power to give up their remaining fears and permit the required series of monetary amounts to be given to all. This progress would show that the various initial funding levels set up by the elders can then be completed. It would as well mean that those now in power are at last willing to totally let go of the vast amounts of money they still hold, and it implies that the long delays are truly coming to an end. Knowing this, we rejoice. Be prepared to witness a number of anticipated events. The best is yet to come. All of this progress is tempered by the old energy that deeply wants this present realm to be kept alive by USA, Incorporated. The longer this old energy remains, the longer the realities to be forged by the rise of this Nasara Republic can, in some way, be further delayed. We therefore sincerely endorse the rise of this new realm. Only with the complete death of the old reality can those things long promised be delivered. It is in this vision that all of us work so fervently to deliver the much required new Nasara realm, as this task becomes more capable of ridding this land of USA, Incorporated. At present, we somehow remain stuck in the great morass engendered by this old realm. The government forged by this seemingly senile reality miraculously continues on and on. Regime change is required. It is time to truly end this odd farce and permit the long-promised realm to fully manifest and the old ways to finally disappear. This is needed before the landings can happen. Therefore, that which is close to occurring must now be completed. Hosanna! Hosanna! Blessings! We are your ascended masters. Much is happening around us. Those who are of the dark are being spared by the odd machinations of those who are acting on behalf of the light. It is only when these results move fearlessly forward that all can be blessedly changed. Hence, look around this strange realm and notice carefully what is truly occurring. In this, there is to be found the reason all currently feels uneasy. All of this present form of reality is to slowly be drastically altered. The dark center cannot, in any way, continue to hold on. In accordance with what must be blessedly done, we call upon all who are responsible for releasing these much-needed funds to do so as swiftly as possible. We ask you to do this in the name of all who have maintained those marvelous visions that have been used to overcome your old reality. By doing so it will acknowledge the formal rise of your new prosperous and sovereign reality. This is, after all, the means chosen to end your millennia of mindless debt slavery. It is in this spirit that we sincerely ask for this realm's salvation. It is vital that you transform your present reality. This land no longer suits most of you. Heaven is mercifully altering who you are. We know just how heaven desires to change you. In this blessed light, you all require a new and more appropriate environment. Delays do not serve you well. It is our purpose to use our earthly influence to aid you in achieving an end to the continuing tyranny of the dark. We are to use our good offices to see that what was promised to you surely materializes. We are ever in your heavenly service. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Today, we carried on with our weekly reports. There is still much to do. We continue to recommend that those funds needed, including a new form of government, be quickly provided. It is time to finally do away with and to change this reality to the sovereign and abundant government long promised you. Remember that the countless and never-ending supply of heaven is indeed yours. Selamat Gajan. Selamat Ya, Syrian for be one and be enjoy.